Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the Microsoft Windows Malicious Software Removal Tool, also known as MSRT. This is a free security tool provided by Microsoft to help detect and remove certain types of malicious software from your Windows computer. Many Windows users don't even know this tool already comes with Windows, and it can be very useful when you suspect your computer has been infected with malware. Let's get started. First, open the Microsoft Windows Malicious Software Removal tool. Once it launches, click Next to continue. You'll now see three scan options. The first is Quick Scan. This scans the areas where malware is most commonly found. It's the fastest option and is recommended if you just want to do a routine check. The second option is Full Scan. This performs a complete scan of your entire computer. It takes much longer, especially if you have a large hard drive, but it's more thorough and can detect threats hidden in different locations. The third option is Customize Scan. This allows you to choose a specific folder or drive to scan. It's useful if you only want to check a USB flash drive, an external hard drive, or a particular folder you think may contain infected files. For this demonstration, I'll choose the scan option and click Next to begin the scan. Depending on the size of your files and the scan type you selected, the process may take a few minutes or even longer. Be patient and allow the scan to complete without interrupting it. If the tool finds any supported malicious software, it will automatically help remove it and display a report after the scan is complete. Keep in mind that MSRT is not a replacement for Microsoft Defender or a full antivirus program. It's an additional tool designed to remove specific malware that may already be on your system. For the best protection, always keep Windows updated and make sure Microsoft Defender or another trusted antivirus is enabled. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more Windows tips, computer repair tutorials, and technology guides. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.